Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be giving the tutorial number 5, part 5. For that, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and here we go. So today we will be, I have created some shapes. So I will be telling you about some another tools. So let's get started. So today we have a shape builder tool. Um, shape builder tool used to um, add any color to any shape. Like I want this color, or once I select the color, like I want red. If I press Alt, it will cut the sides, and if I press this, it will paint here this side. If I press Ctrl, this area will be selected. This one, so I can color here and there like this. Once if you pick a live bucket paint tool, you will need to select the color like this one, and then you can paint anywhere like this. This yellow color here, you can pick any color from. And the third one is live paint bucket selection. It does only select the colors, nothing else. Now we have a perspective grid tool. Basically, this is used to create a perspective type of wall. Like I want to create a wall which is perspective. I will follow the like this, and then I will create a wall. I got a perspective. Let me change its color to see the perspective like this. This is a perspective, and this is the perspective selection tool. You can select any area and then work there like that. Now then we have a gradient. If you put any gradient like this, I have used this. So this will help you out to give a gradient by your own. Customize. You can give any customized grid like this. That's the eyedropper tool. You can pick any color via eyedropper. This is a major tool. It just measures the color, nothing else. So This one tool used to create a new artboard. You can copy artboard with the help of alter, or you can delete artboard. It's up to you. Like this, you can once you click any artboard, then you can work here. You can do anything like this. After that, we have another tool. We will be that's the column tool. This one helps to create any type of column graphs for your assignment or anything. These are just for that. Like this. These are mostly used for the assignments or all. I'm just letting you know that what's the function of these tools. This is a slice tool. You can cut any area, you can slice it, and you can copy it there like this. Nothing else. That's a slice selection tool. You can select the slice where you need to cut, and then you will have to cut here. That's on a hand tool. You can go here and there, but mostly we can use with the help of space bar. If you press space bar, its shortcut is space bar. If you click the space bar, you can move here and there. There's a print tool. You can anything print typing tool, and that's a zoom in, zoom out. So yeah. So these are today's. This was the today's tutorial. I hope you might have understand. Please go follow my page, subscribe it, and do let me know in comment section if you have any problem. I will let you. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Goodbye.